here now. The alligator will like it here.
It's like so repetitive and it pisses me off.
Alligator likes it here. I will keep it here now. Yes, said the big boy. The alligator likes it here. What can it eat? Asked Allie. Meat. Big boy. Alligators like meat. I will get meat for it. I want to go with you.
He's like Tiny Tim.
Come on, said the boy. The big boy said, here is meat. The little alligator will like it. I will make it a little meatball. You can to the alligator. I will, said Ollie. Ollie's mother comes. Ollie's mother said,
Ew.
Ollie. He didn't come. I will look for Ollie, said mother. What did mother see? What did mother do? Mother, said Ollie. Do you see the little alligator? Yes, said mother. I see. What will you do with it? Play with it, said Ollie, and the boys can play with it.
Oh my
Mother said, no, Ollie, you can't keep an alligator here. Ollie said, Mother, I want to keep it. I will not keep it here. I will get something to keep it in. Mother said, you can't keep it. The little alligator will grow. You can't keep a big alligator. Can't I? Asked Ollie.
It's like it gets higher and higher every time.
What's big alligator like? Ask Daddy, said Mother. I want to keep it here, said Ollie. Can I keep it here, Daddy? Daddy said, it will get big, Ollie. You can't keep a big alligator.
Does he have steroids?
Ollie said, what's a big alligator like? Daddy said, look here, Ollie. Here's a big alligator. Do you see? You can't keep a big alligator. I see, said Ollie. I can't keep a big alligator here. What can I do with it? Take it to the zoo, said Mother. Take it to the zoo. Take it to the zoo and keep it. Ollie's mother said, come on, get the little alligator. You can take it to the zoo. I'll go with you. The boys want to go, said Ollie. Get the boys, said Mother. Get the boys and the alligator. One boy said, I can't get in. Here, said Ollie's mother. You can get in now.
For free.
Ollie asked, do you want it? Do you want a little alligator? Yes, said the zoo man. The zoo wants it, and you will get something for it.
It's just so funny.
What will I get? Asked Ollie. Here it is. You can go to the zoo with it.
Here it is.
You can see the alligator. Ollie asked, can I come and come? Can I see the little alligator grow? Can I see the little alligator grow? Yes, said the zoo man. You can come and come to the zoo. The boys
Come
can
and come.
with you.
You know the cum and when you have sex and the cum we're gonna fuck on the
zoo. I'll go and go and go, and I will see the little alligator grow.
A little breath.
And Ollie did. The end.
That was so fucking funny.